Hello everyone, welcome back to the Art Playground. Today I wanted to see about making my own washi tape that will be embossed with sparkles. So I just chose one stencil. This is the Lots of Bubbles, and this one is called Simply So, stamp set number 61. And I have a sheet of label paper, and I will put the brand of label paper in the description for you. So first I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to freehand some strips and then do some watercoloring and then some stamping and embossing and then maybe a bit more watercoloring. We will see. So you want to make sure you use permanent ink. And just to make sure mine is dry before I paint it, I'm going to use my heat embossing tool just to set the ink. So I want to first do some negative. I'm going to do some spots with the stencil and the super gloss, or the clear gloss super fine, and make it so they stay white. And then on some I'm going to do paint a layer and then do the circles and then do another color on top so you can see how it creates like a resist. Let's choose a pretty color. Something that would be great to lay something over top. We'll do the wisteria. I'm just going to activate my water palette a little more, add some more water. And because this is label paper and not mixed media paper, oh, I'm getting colors on here. That's very interesting. I am going to go ahead and just put a layer, a light layer of water down. Might as well do this one because I got a bit mucky somehow. I don't know how that happens. But not too much. So I don't want the paper to start pulling apart. Okay, let's get our stencil out. I'm also going to grab a blank piece of paper to catch my embossing powder. Make sure my embossing pen is clean. I actually will have to do this in a few steps, otherwise the embossing fluid will dry out on me and we don't want that. Can you already see those? Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay. Okay, now we'll choose a secondary color. I think I might go for this one. I might do some of the opera pink as well. Mix the two together. With a paper towel or your paint rag, you can just go in a clean spot and dab up some of the spots that are sitting on top of your embossed areas. I'm just going to go ahead and paint some others and then use the stamps to decorate them and emboss. Okay, so I've gone ahead, I've scanned this in at this stage so that you can print it off and stamp it and emboss it in any way you desire. You may want to do a theme with it, whatever you want, it's up to you. Go ahead, stamp, emboss, have some fun, print it onto some label paper. If you don't have label paper, you can just print it onto some, even just printer paper. And then you can use your double-sided tape, pardon me, or your fine glues and adhere them to your pages that way. But yeah, go ahead. I'm going to put it on there as a PNG so you can resize it if you want. I'll see if I can do a PNG. It might have to be a PDF. So yeah, go ahead, print, create, have some fun. It will be on Wow Embossing Powder's blog post for September 16th, 2021. That is where you'll find it. And the blog post will be called Washi Tape Creations. I think that's a good name, Washi Tape Creations. Something like that. You'll find it. And then the next day after that, it'll be available on my blog at www.nicci.ca. So September 17th, 2021, it'll be on my blog. Okay, let's get back to creating now. So I am going to grab, I'm going to do some doodles with the pen, but I also want to use some of the stamps from this fun little set. This will look really nice. Earthtone Blueberry. I did double stamp a couple of them, but that's pretty cute, because then even if you wanted them to stand out as this color, you can go in and paint around the buttons, or you can paint in them too, right? It looks so good. And now's when you get to cut it out. It is. It is. I'm going to take a quick photo and then I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to grab my WOW journal. See where we can add it. Ooh, look good down there. Maybe I'll just do a page of the washi tape. Oh, come on. How gorgina is that? Okay, I'm going to save the rest because I want to do a page creation and have them as the wonderful accents. So there you have it. Make and emboss some fabulous washi tape of your own. Be uniquely you. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Doesn't it make you happy? Thank you so much for joining me, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Remember to like and share. And go have some fun. Go create. Go create and tag Wow Embossing Powder and show them what you make. They'd love to see it. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Bye.